By using the binomial theorem, estimate the square root of 25.1 to 4 decimal places. We take solution. First, for us to answer this question, we are going to make use of the binomial theorem where rational powers are involved. That means the powers are fractions. We know if we have 1 plus x raised to the power n, where n is a rational power, the expansion will simply be equal to 1 plus n times x plus n times n minus 1. We divide by 2 factorial times x squared plus n times n minus 1 times n minus 2 all over 3 factorial will be multiplied by x cubed plus 3 dots. So this will give us an infinite series, of which this series will converge for the magnitude of x less than 1. We are going to make use of this. Now, if we take the number 25.1, we know this is the same as 25 plus 0.1 as such. Now, if we factorize the number 25, the reason why we are factoring out 25 is because we want to make the first term to be 1. This will simply be equal to factor 25 times 1 plus 0.1 divided by 25. This is what we are going to obtain. If you take 25 times 1, it goes back to 25. 25 times 0.1 over 25 goes back to 0.1. This will simply be equal to 25 times 1 plus 0.1 divided by 25 gives us 0.004 as such. The square root of 25.1 is simply the same as 25.1 raised to the power a half. You see the power now becomes a rational power. This will simply be equal to 25.1 is the same as 25 times 1 plus 0.004. This will give us 25 times 1 plus 0.004. All this raised to the power a half. This will be equal to, if you take a times b, all this raised to the power n, it is the same as a raised to the power n times b raised to the power n. This will give us 25 raised to the power a half, which is the same as the square root of 25 times 1 plus 0.004 raised to the power a half. And this will simply be equal to the square root of 25 gives us 5 times 1 plus 0.004, all this raised to the power a half. Now the next thing what we have to do is we are going to expand 1 plus 0.004, all this raised to the power a half. And this will simply be equal to the first term, it gives us 1 plus the second term a half times 0.004 plus the next term a half times a half minus 1. All this divided by 2 factorial times 0.004. All this raised to the power 2. You will see that if we square the number 0.004, the number of zeros we are going to have after the decimal point will be more than 4 decimal places. We are going to end here plus 3 dots. 0.004 is a very small number, so when raised to higher powers, it is moving close to 0. You can see for the magnitude of 0.004 less than 1. You can see 0.004 is less than 1. That means this series converges. Now, performing all necessary simplifications, this will give us 1 plus a half times 0.004 gives us 0.002 plus a half times a half minus 1 gives us negative a half, such that we divide by 2 factorial, which is the size 2 times 1, which gives us 2 times 0.0000016 plus the 3 dots. You can see the number of zeros here, they are more than 4 decimal places. 1, 2, 3, 4. The number of zeros after the decimal point. This will simply be equal to 1 plus 0.002 gives us 1.002 plus a half times negative a half gives us negative 1/4. Negative 1/4 divided by 2 gives us negative 1/8 times 0.00016 plus the 3 dots. And this will simply be equal to 1.002 minus, simplifying 1/8 times 0.00016, it will simply give us minus 0.00002 plus the 3 dots. And this will simply be approximately, when you see the approximation sign, that means we are going to eliminate the 3 dots for the other term. So this will give us 1.0019884, which is approximately, remember in the given question they asked us to give it 4 decimal places. 4 decimal places, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Here to round off between the digits 9 and 8. 8 here is greater than or equal to the number 5, but it is rounded up to 1. We add the 1 to 9, it gives us 10. We're going to have a 0 here. We are going to carry the 1 to this other one here. 1 plus 1 gives us 2, so this will be approximately 1.002 to 4 decimal places. It therefore means the square root of 25.1 will be approximately 5 times, we are going to replace this expansion with 1.0020, and this will be approximately, we take 5 times 1.002 gives us 5.01. So this is the estimated square root of the number 25.1. So to 4 decimal places, we are going to attach 2 zeros. to 4 dp. We are done with the solution. If in case you have any questions, feel free to leave your questions at the comment section. Please like the video, share, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much for watching.